What is it, Jacob? Show me. Show me the Thomas.
Oh wait, Kayla's missing a gift.
Oh wow, that's cool.
How am I missing a gift?
She's missing a gift, babe.
It's one more.
There's one more.
It must be a troll. It must be a troll. Zero.
Oh wow, that is sweet. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool shirt. Damn it, Chase. You keep dropping them,
A whole
Mijo.
lot of presents.
That's all of my little presents.
Here, Kayla.
That's all my little presents.
Yep.
Where's my kid's present?
Of course, Mom hides them behind the tree.
Daddy got the present.
Oh my God! Look at that! Nice, Piano.
Do you even know what it is?
Pajamas.
What kind of pajamas?
Princess. You know, Piano.
Okay. Here's your gift. From me.
What's that, Kaylin?
Pajamas again.
Gotta love that sarcasm.
Yeah.
I gotta have those ones.
I was thinking, what's the difference?
Whoa, those are cool.
That's cool.
Those are PJ pants. They're really soft,
You
huh?
have to like find. Oh, and I have a pair of your black pants that go with those. I just forgot to wrap them.
Look at this, I'm going slowly.
Go wrap it with a piece.
Mhm.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, are you gonna wait and see what I have?
Can't look.
Yeah, don't open yours yet.
It's a hamster.
Just come to me.
That's sweet. You guys look over here and say thank you, guys. Over here. Get you both. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you, Kaylin?
Thank you.
Woo-hoo!